Hey fams, my name's Elizabeth. I'm a dyslexia interventionist, former teacher, homeschool mom, and author of Teach Your Child to Read, a Mommy and Me coloring book. And today I'm going to teach you about finger tapping using the page in my coloring book that basically teaches you how to do this hands-on skill to help your child learn how to blend. All right, so this is page 24, and as usual, I'll post a closer up view of page 24, but it says how to teach finger tapping. Finger tapping is a hands-on method of sounding out words and blending them. The reader taps each sound, not letter, in order starting with the thumb and pointing finger. This is where you start the first sound. Once each sound has been tapped, one sound per finger, then the thumb is run across the tapped fingers to help the reader blend the sounds together. Let me demonstrate. K, at, cat, d, og, dog. Why am I stretching the vowel? Because I've been telling y'all to. You haven't been? Start now. Only if your early reader really needs it. It helps stretch out that vowel sound so they can hear it longer. And that's really the glue of words, vowels, and be able to blend more rapidly because they can actually hear the sound that they're probably having the most trouble with, which is the vowel. Pro tip, fingers are a free tool. This is free, you guys, but some young children may not have the fine motor skills to utilize this strategy yet. Maybe you want to utilize it when they've got some more finger muscles. Or maybe you actually teach them to do this to build their finger muscles. And if you're going to do that and they don't have the muscles like tone at all, you might want to practice with the other hand and not assume you know what hand is their strongest hand already. Like that sounds like they're young. So you want to finger tap on both hands. I am right-handed, but I am also a dyslexia tutor and can do this on both hands. Many people can't. I also took piano lessons. So I had to actually do finger exercises like this. So when I became a dyslexia tutor, I had a flashback to piano lessons. All right. And then on the bottom, I actually list some additional hands-on tools. So the idea then is that if this doesn't work for your child, I do want to recommend that you guys engage in some kind of hands-on tools to work with early readers, like spinny blocks, which are one of my favorite tools, and I learned about through my child going to a Montessori preschool when she was 3 and 4. Legos are similar plastic blocks. We did that. Letter magnets. We did that. Montessori movable letters or sandpaper letters. Yes, I was the parent that bought some Montessori sandpaper letters, and they cost an arm and a leg. But we really used it, and my kid really loved the sensory sandpaper thing, and we still have them, and I probably actually will pass it down to her children, and hence it felt like an investment because they are made out of wood and expensive. Then there's fun games. Did I bring it? Oh, I didn't bring it. I'll make another post. But like board games like Scrabble, Bananagram, Word Up, all those word games with letter tiles, even though they're all usually uppercase, those are great hands-on tools that you might already have in your house. So please, families, play with your babies and play with letters and sounds, right? And if they like to play with their fingers, okay, you are a Waldorf-minded mama or papa, you might already play finger games, okay? And I don't know if you guys know, I'm really into that. I just sing so badly that some of the songs that I taught my child when on this early reading journey that come from like the Waldorf philosophy and tools are just like, I just sound bad, y'all. Sorry. Anyways, happy reading, fams. I am just having a joyful day, and I hope everyone else is too.